Your phone dies, your laptop runs out of battery, and suddenly you're stuck hunting for an outlet. That's why a great power bank matters. Today, I'm ranking the 8 best power banks of 2026, from compact everyday chargers to high-capacity laptop power banks and rugged travel options. Links are in the description with updated pricing. Let's get into it. Opening at number 8, the Anker Laptop Power Bank is the pick for a specific and underserved audience. People who actually need to charge a laptop away from an outlet and don't want to compromise on wattage to do it. The headline spec is 100 watts of output from a single port. That number matters because most power banks top out at 65 watts, which is enough for smaller ultrabooks, but falls short for 15-inch laptops and power-hungry machines. The Anker's 100-watt single-port output handles MacBook Pros, Dell XPS 15s, ThinkPads, and most other mainstream laptops without breaking a sweat, at the same speed as a wall adapter. If you need even more headroom, Anker makes a 27,000 mAh 250-watt version. But for most laptop users, the 25,000 mAh 100-watt model hits the right balance of capacity, wattage, and price. Number 8 on the overall list, but the definitive number 1 for laptop users. Number 7 is the Statechi Duo wireless charger power stand, and this one earns its spot by solving a specific problem with genuine elegance, charging your phone and AirPods simultaneously without a single cable in sight. The foldable design is what makes this product special. It functions as a wireless charging stand and a 10,000 mAh power bank in one. Fold it open, set your iPhone on the phone pad, drop your AirPods on the lower pad, and both devices charge wirelessly while you're watching, working, or sleeping. The built-in stand holds your phone at a viewing angle so you're not staring at a flat device on a table. The 18-watt USB-C port on the back adds a third simultaneous charging connection for anything else that needs power. For anyone who has embraced wireless charging and wants to travel with fewer cables, one power bank that handles a phone, AirPods, and a third device without a tangle of wires, the Statechi Duo is an elegant solution that works exactly as advertised. Number 6 is the Anker Mago Power Bank for Apple Watch, and this is one of those products that fills a need so precisely that Apple Watch users who haven't tried it wonder how they managed without it. The pop-up Apple Watch charger is the defining feature. It delivers 5 watts to your Apple Watch and supports nightstand mode, which means your watch charges in its proper orientation and functions as a bedside clock while it does. The built-in USB-C cable delivers up to 30 watts to your phone simultaneously, and the additional USB-C port handles a third device. The display lights up beneath the surface to show remaining power as a percentage and the current charging rate, exactly the information you need at a glance. For Apple Watch users who experience battery anxiety on long days or overnight trips, this is the cleanest solution on the market. One device handles your watch, your phone, and a third gadget. No separate watch charger to pack, no extra cable to forget. At number 5, the Anker Mago Power Bank 10K with Qi 2 is the wireless charging power bank pick for iPhone owners. And if you haven't experienced Qi 2 wireless charging, the difference from standard wireless charging is immediately noticeable. Qi 2 borrows the magnetic alignment ring from Apple's MagSafe system, which means the power bank snaps to the back of your iPhone perfectly every time. No sliding, no misalignment, and no reduced charging speed from poor positioning. The handy kickstand is a detail that turns this from a passive power bank into an active stand. Snap your iPhone on in portrait or landscape orientation, prop it up with the kickstand, and your phone charges while you watch content or use Apple's standby mode. In testing with an iPhone 14 Pro, 25% charge in around 20 minutes wirelessly is what you're looking at. Solid real-world performance. The main trade-off is bulkiness for the capacity. But if you have an iPhone with MagSafe, the snap-and-go wireless charging experience is genuinely worth it. Top 4 now, and number 4 is the one power bank on this list where the design is genuinely as impressive as the specs, the Shark Geek 170. Most power banks are gray rectangles. The Shargeek 170 is a triangular prism with a transparent casing that shows the internal components. It looks like a piece of concept tech that shouldn't exist at this price point. But this isn't a case where style comes at the expense of substance. The specs are serious: 170 watts maximum output, 24,000 mAh capacity, and an IP66 water resistance rating. Fine in rain, just don't submerge it. The triangular design isn't just aesthetic, it means the display is always angled perfectly toward you regardless of how it's oriented on a desk. The box includes a braided USB-C cable. You are paying a premium for the design, but you're getting elite specs alongside it. For anyone who wants a high-capacity power bank that doesn't look like every other high-capacity power bank, the Shargeek 170 is the pick. The bronze medal goes to the Nimble Champ Series 2, and this one earns its position by being the best small power bank on the market. At 6.2 ounces, the Champ is one of the lightest power banks on the market. It's smaller than a deck of cards. It fits in a jeans pocket without creating a visible bulge. And none of that miniaturization comes at the cost of useful output. 20 watts delivered across 2 USB-C ports, one on each end, charging 2 devices simultaneously. The speckled color finishes are genuinely attractive. This is a power bank that doesn't look embarrassing sitting on a conference table or a cafe counter. The bright lanyard loop makes it easy to pull out of a bag and helps you locate it instantly. Build quality is solid for the size. This feels like a durable product that will survive a few years of daily carry. If you want a larger version, the Pro model doubles capacity to 20,000 mAh with 2 USB-C ports going up to 65 watts. For most everyday carry users, the standard Champ is the sweet spot. Number 2 is the Elecom Nest Out Rugged Power Bank. And this is the power bank for people who actually use their gear outdoors. And I mean genuinely outdoors, not just commuting in the rain. The IP67 rating tells you everything you need to know about what this power bank is built to handle. IP67 means completely dust-tight, zero ingress, and submersion rated to approximately 3 feet of water. Not splash-resistant, not water-resistant, but submersion-rated. Add U.S. military drop test certification on top of that, and you have a power bank that is genuinely designed to take abuse and keep functioning. It looks like a rugged canteen, which is exactly the aesthetic a serious outdoor power bank should have. Most rugged power banks make you choose between protection and performance, thick cases, low wattage, and mediocre capacity. The Nest Out doesn't make that compromise. It's genuinely protective, genuinely capable, and genuinely portable. For outdoor users and professionals in harsh environments, this is the power bank. And the best power bank of 2026 is the Anker Nano Power Bank. And the reason it sits at number 1 is that it solves the most problems for the most people in the most compact package available. Let me walk through what this thing actually does. It delivers power delivery at up to 45 watts, fast enough to charge a MacBook Air in a pinch, and faster than most dedicated phone chargers. It has both USB-A at up to 22.5 watts and USB-C ports, covering every device you own without adapters. It charges 3 devices simultaneously, though at a reduced 15 watts per device when all 3 ports are active. For single device charging, it hits 30 watts, which is genuinely fast phone charging that most users won't be able to distinguish from a wall adapter in terms of real-world speed. You will never be in a situation where your Anker Nano is charged and your cable is in a different bag. The Anker Nano Power Bank is number 1 and it earned it. That's your complete ranked list. The 8 best power banks of 2026. All the links are in the description, updated regularly, so pricing is always current. If this video helped you find the right power bank, hit the like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we cover every major product category with this same level of depth. I'll see you in the next one.